I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. We're going to take a look at the 345 Freedom. If you're not familiar with the Freedom line, that is the most versatile, in my opinion, the most versatile model of boat that Grady-White, or for that matter, any other manufacturer puts out. It can just do so much. So let's take a quick look at some of the features on this particular boat. First off, we're just going to look at what it's powered with. Triple 350 Yamahas. Going to be plenty of power for this 34-foot boat. Take a look on the transom. This is one thing that I greatly appreciate, is that we have a refrigerated box back here on the box. You can, or in the back, you can use this as a refrigerator or a freezer, so you don't need to carry ice on board. Catch your fish, just throw them right into that box right there. You can freeze them or just refrigerate it. Just to the port of that a little bit, you've got a hot and cold water shower. Huge live well right there. And a second one right there. So these can be used as coolers as well back in the back, as they're foam insulated around the outside. So if you're not live bait fishing, you don't need a live well, you've still got an insulated cooler there. What's so great about these, that they're not just fishing boats, but they're great just cruising around boats, go out to dinner boats. And let's take a look at some of the features that makes that possible. Starboard side lounge seat, and this is an electric lounge seat, so you push a button and that's going to extend out and make that sun lounger even bigger. We've got a summer kitchen to the port side with a grill, a refrigerator, and some nice stainless steel drawers underneath that, drink holders, everything that you need. You catch a fish, you don't want to throw them in that fish box, fillet them up, put them right here on the grill. This has got, it's probably going to be hard for you to see, but up on the hard top, this has got a Sure Shade electric sun top on it. And so when you extend this sun top, it's going to come all the way over here to the back of the boat, and it's going to cover up this 3 wide seat back in the back. This is a fold-away seat. It's really nice. If you want to fish back here, you've got plenty of room. You've got combing pads here that you can lean against. But if you're out just cruising for the day, just flip that seat out real easy, and you got three more seats back in the back. Up at the helm, really nice. We've already put two 16-inch Garmins in here. Tilt steering wheel, bow thruster, joystick controls. This boat's got everything. Double wide, two captain's chair, twin captain's chair with flip down armrests on them. Super comfortable seating on this boat. But also, if people want to get out of the sun underneath this huge hard top on here, look at the nice L-shaped lounger to the port side. The table is in the down position there right now, but that table will rise up so that you can have a chest level table to put your drinks at there. Lots of lots of lighting, LED lighting in this boat. You've got them in the back that go down. You've got them all in the hard top. You've got them in the floor. So if you like going out on your boat at night, you can really light this boat up. On the port side, we have an air conditioned berth. So this boat does have generator air conditioning. So if you want to overnight on this for the weekend, you can absolutely do that on this boat. Starboard side is your head compartment, sink, shower, cabinet spaces. Again, very usable, easy to weekend on this boat if you want to. This windshield that extends all the way up to the hard top. If you get into the inclement weather, you can block the wind off, block the rain off. If you're going out in December and it's cold outside, you've got a full windshield. Close this off, close this door off here. You can completely block the wind and cold from you back there. Bow seating area on here, huge. If you're 6'3", I don't care if you're 6'8", you're gonna sit up here just comfortably. And you've got a nice fold out armrest on that side. You've got one on to your right as well. You've got some handrails that you can grab onto. There's speakers in the front of this boat. You can easily sit, if you want to, you can sit 5 or 6 people just in this bow area. Also on the bow, underneath the anchor hatch there, you've got the electric anchor windlass. It's neatly tucked up underneath the bow. Come by when you can take a longer look. I'd be glad to go through all the features of this boat with you. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Call me on my cell phone, 904-625-6146, and set up an appointment.